If you don't know by now, my name is Ellen Marie and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, as y'all can see by the title, I am trying out a new mask and it is from one of my favorite curly hair brands, which is Mielle Organics. They came out with their anti-shedding collection. I love the purpose behind it. I just need to see if the products work. So today we're going to be trying the Sea Moss Blend Anti-Shedding Gel Hair Mask infused with saw palmetto. It's 8 ounces and I got this on sale at Target, but I think originally it's $8.99 or $9.99. I will put it on the screen. It says you should apply generously to clean wet hair, comb thoroughly from roots to ends for even distribution, and leave on for 20 minutes and then rinse thoroughly and style as usual. It didn't tell you anything about adding heat, so I won't add heat this time just to see what it does. Let's look at the ingredients. It says the first ingredient is water, which is good. It has hydrogenated castor oil, Irish moss extract, algae extract, saw palmetto fruit extract, olive fruit oil, sweet almond oil, oat seed extract, citric acid, and okay, I don't see any silicones. And usually silicone shouldn't be in a deep conditioner. I don't see any silicones or anything like that, but it does say on the bottle, it says no paraffins, no parabens, no mineral oil, no DEA, or no animal testing. So it sounds good to me, and usually Mielle is like an overall good brand. So I'm just gonna open it up and let's do the smell test. Smells kind of perfumey but interesting. It doesn't stink, but it smells really good. So I section my hair off in 4 sections like usual when I apply my deep conditioner. And this is what my hair is looking like. I forgot to mention, but my hair is freshly shampooed and conditioned. Now I am intrigued because this says a gel and it looks just like a gel. I didn't show it to y'all. Let me show it to y'all. Looks like this. And it's sliding. You can barely see it, but it's sliding. So I'm excited. I'm pretty sure it's gonna have good slip since it's a gel hair mask, you know. But like it says apply to wet hair. Now it doesn't say like soaking wet hair, it just says wet hair. So we're gonna see. I'm going to take some of the gel and I'm gonna show y'all the consistency of it. I got about that much. Okay, and it's kind of thick. It feels just like a gel, but I hate when I do that. It feels like a light gel. I didn't drop a lot, but I dropped a little bit. It feels just like a gel. It looks just like a gel. It's clear. It looks like it's gonna be blue, but it's really clear when you take it out the bottle. So let's see. Ooh, I feel the slip already. I feel it. I feel and my hair was kind of tangled because I got out the shower and didn't put anything in it. So yeah, I feel it. I feel it. Now the smell got stronger now. At first it wasn't that strong, but it's a little strong. Okay, look, my curls are starting to clump. This is a gel. What? This is gel. Put some on my ends and on the back because I missed a little bit of the back. Now I don't know if I need to add more product or more water. So first I'm gonna add more water because I feel like I need some more. My poor earring, Jesus. Okay. So far, it doesn't feel that moisturizing. I just feel a lot of slip. I'm able to run my fingers through it and detangle pretty easily. And I'm just gonna use my tangle teaser because it's kind of late and I don't want to be here all day. With my fingers, it's giving me some slip, like good slip, but not crazy. So let's try my brush. Okay, yep, it's doing everything that a gel would do. I like the way my hair looks, and my hair doesn't feel bad. It just doesn't feel like super hydrated. It feels good though, like it feels soft because it was a little dry because I had no product in it before that. Okay, them curls look juicy. So my hair is taking nice to it. So like I do for all of my deep conditioners, I'm gonna twist this section up and I'm gonna move on to the next section. So I'm done applying it to my hair, and this is what it looks like. Let me just show y'all, take these out. Like, do y'all, I can, like, you know how you feel your curls forming? Like, I can feel mine. So I think this will give good definition. I don't know, but I can like feel it. I really like the consistency. Now I don't know how much moisture this is gonna give my hair, but it felt really good. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna let this sit for the 20 minutes. Oh, I didn't even rose back up. I'm gonna let it sit for the 20 minutes that it says to let it sit, and then I will be back to give y'all my final thoughts on it. Okay, so I'm back. My hair sat for about 25 minutes, and then this is what it's looking like. Whew. Okay, now I do want to mention, while I was rinsing it out, it had like that super clean feeling, like squeakiness. It doesn't feel, not gonna say it doesn't feel dry, it feels kind of dry, not like stripping dry or anything. It just feels dry. Like I can tell that it gave me lots of definition, gave me some good definition, but my hair, it's like, it's not hard per se, but it's not moisturized. This was more of a strengthening treatment, I feel like, because my hair feels better, but it doesn't feel soft. My thoughts so far, I can't tell if it's really the anti-shedding like it says, because I haven't used it long enough. I feel like I have to use it at least 2 more times just to see. It feels good, but it doesn't feel like soft how I want it to feel, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna put my hair in 4 sections because I'm about to do my hair. I guess I'll have to do like an update for y'all, because right now I'm not really feeling it. And it says a hair mask. So when I think of hair mask, I think of repairing, restoring, strengthening, things like that. When I think of deep conditioning, I think of conditioning, moisture and all things like that. And that's what I was hoping for this. But since it says, well, no, it said promote shine and stuff. So yeah, I would give it maybe like a 7 because it smells really good. I didn't use a lot like I thought I would. I thought I was gonna use a lot. I only used to like maybe right here. I think it's gonna last me another maybe 2 uses. It applies really, really good with water, which I like. It's not one of my favorites from Mielle. Definitely not one of my top favorites from them, but it is okay. It's something, if you want to try something out, then try it out. If you don't, you don't. It's okay, you don't need it. Yeah, y'all, so let me know if y'all have tried this down below, if y'all are looking to try it, and let me know how it goes for you, if you like it, if you don't like it, what you thought about it, how it feels, blah blah blah. But yeah, y'all, I really hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below so you can see more videos like this from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye.